My name's Kevin and welcome to Tractors in Life. I've mentioned before, I really love the auto throttle on this tractor. If you're not familiar, what this does is it actually makes your tractor operate just like your car or truck. That when you press on the accelerator, it brings the RPM of the tractor up. Great for snow plowing, great for any type of loader work. Some other people have asked me, why I dump all the snow here with my bucket and then pull forward and dump the box blade. Well, the reason is because I want all the snow as you face the house to the right-hand side of the driveway, because this snow has road salt in it from the town plow, and I try to, rather than spread it all over my lawn, I try to concentrate it in that one area. And that seems to minimize the damage to the lawn that I'm going to find in the spring. Now, if this was a lot of snow, I would not hop over the pile like I am right now. What I would then do, I'll show you here, I would drop the snow here in the apron, then drop the snow in the box, and then drop the snow in the box blade, and then push it all into that main pile, like I am here. But this is not a lot of snow. It's no problem hopping over the pile, and I just think it's a little faster this way. I gotta be careful hitting these snowbanks because they are nothing but ice. Hey, before we close, I just want to go over one thing. If you watched our recent videos, you know that I took a spill, and it was not getting in or out of the tractor, but I can tell you, if I did not observe the 3-point of contact rule, I know I would have taken other spills. If you're not familiar with that and you own a tractor, actually, about a skid steer, an excavator, 3 points of contact is the rule. Let me show you. So on my tractor, number 1, number 2, the step, and number 3, I use the steering wheel. Some people say you shouldn't do that, but I do. So when I'm getting in my tractor, I've got one on the step, grab the steering wheel and lift myself up, like so. Okay, now the same thing getting out, and I can tell you, I've had my foot slip off that bottom step, and if I did not have the other 2 points of contact, I'd have gone down. So it's like so, reach back here, foot on the step, and get out of the tractor. Yeah, so to many of you, that's going to be rudimentary. Like, who doesn't know that? Well, there's people that don't, new tractor owners and what have you. And, you know, if you've seen on this channel, you know I'm not a safety Sally. I take some risks that I shouldn't. Well, I don't heal as quickly as I did when I was older. I played a lot of contact sports, played a lot of hockey, a lot of football, and had a couple concussions. Of course, back then, they just called it ringing your bell. Of course, now we know the damage that does. Hey, maybe that's the way I am. But I would always heal really fast. Not anymore. Again, in a previous video, I talked about falling on the ice and on this shoulder. It's been 2.5 months now, and I'm going for an MRI coming up just to see exactly what's going on. I probably tore it. But that's not my point. My point is we can all be a little bit more careful. I'm trying. I really, really am. 3 points of contact, it's important. It really is. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. I always love being with you guys. I always love working around the property. Man, it's been a lot of snow plowing this year. It really has. And, you know, watch out for what you wish for, because if you've watched our channel, you know that I'm a self-proclaimed winter lover. And I love snow plowing. But you know what? This is coming up on the end of February, and I'm ready for spring. I really am. I'm ready to get out there and do some spring and summertime projects. Hey, thank you for being here. God bless you all. And we'll see you next time on Tractors in Life.